Students, we are going to explain last lines of poem Television. These are: fear not, because we promise you that in about a week or two of having nothing else to do. Fear not. The poet advises children's parents that they should not fear from children's protest at removal of television sets from their homes, because the poet says that we promise you that in about a week or a fortnight, एक हफ्ते के बाद या 2 हफ्ते के बाद, fortnight जिसे कहा जाता है, of having nothing else to do, in about a week or two, children will start reading books because they will have nothing to do and they will have no television to watch, and due to that they will read books. They will start reading books in about a week or two. So parents don't need to fear from children. They will now begin to feel the need of having something to read. And the poet further says that after reading books for few days, the children will come to feel the need of reading books. Children will come to feel the importance of reading books, and they will get knowledge after reading books. And once they start, oh boy, the poet says that in the beginning the children would not like reading books and they will show their dislike, but you watch the slowly growing joy that fills their hearts. The poet says that after reading books, they gradually enjoy in reading books and their hearts will be filled with joy due to reading books. They will grow so keen, they will wonder about what they had ever seen in that ridiculous machine. And after reading books, they will be very curious. Keen means curious, and they will realize their earlier mistake of watching too much television. तब उसके बाद वो अपनी गलती का एहसास करेंगे कि जब वो ज़्यादा टीवी देखते थे इन दैट रिडिक्यूलस मशीन, उस बेतुके मशीन में, उस टीवी में, जो कि दैट नाजिएटिंग का मतलब होता है क्रिएटिंग हेट्रेड, जो कि नफरत उत्पन्न करता था, फाउल बैड था, अनक्लीन था, एंड रिपल्सिव टेलीविजन स्क्रीन. रिपल्सिव मीन्स अनइंटरेस्टिंग, जिसमें कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं था, वो अनइंटरेस्टिंग था. एंड लेटर ऑन, बाद में, ईच एंड एवरी किड विल लव यू मोर फॉर व्हाट यू डिड. एंड द पोएट सेज टू चिल्ड्रंस पेरेंट that later on every child would love his parents even more for introducing him to books, and each and every child will love parents more than earlier. So students, in this way the explanation of television poem comes to an end. There are 4 parts of this explanation. Hopefully it will be very beneficial to you in understanding the explanation. Thank you.